guys? This is Jullianne Notario, that's Jul for short, and I'm here to make a video tutorial about the methods of expanding binomials. In this lesson, there are two ways to expand a binomial, where n, or the exponent, is a positive integer. The first method is the Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle is applicable if the n, or the exponent, is not too big. And the other method is the binomial theorem, where it is applicable if n, or the exponent, is big. But today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Pascal's triangle. Before that, let me give you a brief introduction to the person who is behind this formula. Blaise Pascal was born in 1623 to 1662. He was a French mathematician, a scientist, a religious philosopher, and a writer who was an influential contributor to all of this field. Pascal came up with the Pascal theorem at the age of 16, and before he turned 20, he already invented the world's first fully mechanical calculator. So much for that, let's proceed to the main topic.
This is a Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle is the preceding triangular area of numbers or the binomial coefficients. You have observed that each row begins and ends with 1. Each row has n plus 1 numbers. The second and second to the last number of each row correspond to the row number. There is symmetry of numbers in each row. It means that the numbers of the left side have identical matching numbers on the right side, like a mirror image. Observe also its horizontal sums. Do you see a pattern? Yes, there is. The sum of each row doubles each time. The number of entries in a row is 1 more than the row number, or 1 more than the number of entries in the preceding row. Another property of the triangle is that every middle number after the first row is the sum of the two numbers above it. Observe also its exponents. When the expression has a zero exponents, it's always equivalent to 1. The exponents of A decreases, while the exponents of B increases. So here's an example. Expand the quantity of A plus B to the power of 7. Quantity A plus B to the 7 is equal to A to the 7 plus 7 A to the 6B plus 21 A to the 5th B to the squared plus 35 A to the 4th B to the 3 plus 35 A to the 3 B to the 4th plus 21 A to the squared B to the 5th plus 7 A B to the 6 plus B 7. You have observed that the exponents of A decreases and B increases, and the coefficients, as you can see, are seen in the figure. Let's have another example by using the minus sign. Quantity x minus y to the 9th power. Quantity x minus y to the 9th power is equals to x to the 9 plus 9x to the 8 times negative y plus 36x to the 7 times negative y to the squared plus 84x to the 6 times negative y to the cube plus 126x to the 5th times negative y to the 4th plus 126x to the 4th times negative y to the 5th plus 84x to the 3rd times negative y to the 6th plus 36x to the squared times negative y to the 7th plus 9x times negative y to the 8th plus negative y to the 9th is equals to x to the 9th minus 9x8y plus 36x7y squared minus 86x6y cubed plus 126x5 y fourth minus 126x fourth y to the 5th plus 84x cubed y to the 6th minus 36x squared y to the 7th plus 9x y to the 8th minus y to the 9th. So another example will have a coefficients. Quantity 2a plus 2b to the fourth. Quantity 2a plus 2b to the fourth is equal to 2a to the fourth plus 4 times 2a to the cube times 2b plus 6 times 2a to the squared times 2b to the squared plus 4 times 2a times 2b to the cube plus 2b to the fourth is equals to 16a to the fourth plus 64a cubed b plus 96a squared b squared plus 64a b cubed plus 16b fourth. For our last example for today, we'll have a coefficient and the minus sign. Quantity 3x minus 3y to the fourth. Quantity 3x minus 3y to the fourth is equal to 3x to the fourth plus 4 times 3x to the cube times negative 3y plus 6 times 3x to the squared times negative 3y to the squared plus 4 times 3x times negative 3y to the cube plus negative 3y to the fourth is equal to 81x fourth minus 324x cubed y plus 486x squared y squared minus 324x cubed y plus 81 y to the fourth.
That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something from my tutorial, and always remember that practice makes perfect. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye!